Let's open this Taps collab with Cactus Jack set. This set is so expensive. Like the box is retailing at $800 per hobby box. So I had to only get like 10 packs. Not sure why this set is too expensive. Probably because of this collaboration thing. But let's get it. Let's get started. First pack. One pack contains like 4 cards. So it's like $10 per card. Ridiculous pricing. Who's this Chandon? Ooh, Wemby, fuck! Oh, shit! Fuck! Oh, numbered Wemby! Numbered Wemby. You get a numbered Wemby. That's definitely worth it. I didn't expect I'll have too much fun in this set, but it's starting to get, it's off to a great start. So this is it. Wow, wow, off to a great start. Mga Panda rookie, Lori Markkanen base card. I think ganda ng base card, oh. Loving it so far. Ooh, Paul Pierce. Ano to? Wow. Parang ano to? I think it's an insert. Insert. Let's put it here for now. These are inserts. Terrence Shannon Jr. I think it's a base. James Harden. And Kyrie Irving. So far, so good. Okay, Jamal Murray. Ooh! Cooper Flag! Cooper Flag. Empty card. Cooper Flag. Darius Garland. Scotty Barnes. Okay. Third pack. Ayun, inserts. Anthony Edwards. Teka na, start tayo dito. Rookie. Get a rookie. Rookie then. Oh, Luka. Okay, I think it's a hit. Ooh, Anthony Edwards. Highlights. Not sure if you can read those. Put it here. I'm a man. Later. Fourth pack. Another insert. I think it's an insert. I don't know who is this. Nolan Trior? I don't know. Probably. Ooh, got some refractors. And the rookie. Normal refractors. And the rookie. Cam Thomas. And then, I don't know who is this. Is this a rookie or? Ah, yeah, rookie. Ooh, Damian Lillard, DeRozan, Conupel. Oh, rookie, good, good. Anthony Edwards, Damian Lillard. Uy, wait. Wait. There's something in there. Oh, numbered! Jalen Williams. Jalen Williams, numbered. 58 of 150. By the way, this hobby box doesn't have any guaranteed hits. No guaranteed autos and all that. So, we take whatever we can get. Jalen Williams. Kulay blue na refractor. Let's continue. Ozar Thompson. Jason Tatum. And then I think this is a rookie, no? No, not rookie. Ooh, I'm seeing something jacked up. I think these are inserts too. Nothing. Ooh, Cade Cunningham inserts. Joel Embiid, Keontae George, and then Jokic. Last two packs. Naman lang auto. Please give me some autograph, buddy. Amen Thompson. Trey Johnson III, rookie, Jimmy Butler, Jalen Green. Nothing too special about that pack. Another jack up. Start tayo dito. Uy, may nakita ako dun VJ Edgecomb, rookie. Carter Bryant, Jalen Williams. Ooh, numbered 58 out of 99. Amen Thompson. Ganda. Beautiful card. Color green, Amen Thompson. Damn. Yep. Happy with the hits, but yeah, I'm happy. Especially this Wemby numbered card. Thank you.